Hey guys, are you wanted by best wireless doorbells? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best wireless doorbells that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at number 1, Alltech wireless doorbell. If the goal is to find a simple, low-cost doorbell, this may be the right option. This affordable wireless model from Alltech has a 1,000-foot operating range, which is impressive for its price point. The wireless doorbell includes a weatherproof transmitter, 4 volume settings, and a library of 52 chime options. The Alltech doorbell has a plug-in chime box and comes in 9 colors ranging from neutrals to rainbow bright. This unit can be installed using all-weather adhesive or wall screws, and it has an estimated 3 years of battery life. Plus, there is an option of customizing the doorbell with add-ons for motion detectors and pet alarms. At number 2, Morcom Wi-Fi Video Doorbell. This video doorbell from Morcom is a premium option, and it comes with a 32 GB SD card for video recording and storage. The wireless doorbell has a built-in 1080 camera that has motion detection, night vision, and two-way audio, giving the user the ability to immediately respond to visitors or intruders when away from home. The camera is able to sense ambient light, so it can automatically switch to night vision, ensuring that the video remains clear with a night vision distance of about 32 feet. Just plug the indoor chime into an available power outlet and adjust the volume between 3 different levels. The system operates on the home Wi-Fi, so the range is reliant on the Wi-Fi signal, not the signal between the doorbell button and the indoor chime. Now number 3, UFi Security Video Doorbell with a built-in Sony 2K sensor and professional-grade lens. This video doorbell from UFi captures crisp, clear 2K footage. The UFi doorbell can be wired to a home's electrical system or installed wireless. When used as a wireless doorbell, the rechargeable battery provides up to 180 days of power on each charge. The UFi doorbell camera provides a range of useful features, including real-time alerts, live streaming, motion detection, human detection, and customizable activity zone settings. One of the biggest advantages of purchasing the UFi kit is that no monthly subscription plan is required to take advantage of these features. This video doorbell comes with a hub, which stores video footage locally via a Wi-Fi connection. To ensure that stored clips are safe, the hub boasts military-grade ES-256 data encryption and can hold up to 16 GB of footage. There's no cloud involved, so users retain full access to the footage. At number 4, Honeywell Home RDW-L917X 2000 Series 9 Doorbell. This impressive wireless doorbell from Honeywell Home has an incredible 5-year battery life, ensuring that it can be used regularly without quickly draining the battery. It comes with all the screws and brackets to install the doorbell system on the wall, but the portable receiver also can be carried and set up on almost any flat surface for users who are regularly moving around the home. The receiver has a range of 450 feet, so as long as it stays within this range, it can connect to the doorbell transmitter and chime when the doorbell button is pushed. The wireless doorbell comes with the option to adjust the volume to a maximum level of 90 decibels, or users can simply mute the chime if they don't want to be disturbed. While it includes 8 chimes, there is an option to download MP3 files to create custom doorbell chimes that suit personal taste. And our last product is Alltech wireless doorbell with a built-in LED light. The wireless doorbell button and receiver are easy to see, even in the dead of night. The doorbell transmitter runs on a 3-year battery, but the compact receiver is designed to fit comfortably in a single power outlet without blocking access to another socket. Just plug it into an electrical outlet within 1,000 feet of the transmitter and install the transmitter with the provided accessories to set up the system. The wireless doorbell includes 52 different chimes that sound through the 29mm stereo speakers for clear, crisp sound quality. Choose between 5 volume levels with a maximum noise level of 115 decibels. This weatherproof product has an internal memory function that allows it to remember and automatically restore the last settings after a power outage. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.